So here we go. We're out at Horsefall Beach, heading north on the Coast Guard Road, and we are going to do a little test, see how the old suspension is doing.
It's gonna hurt.
After 85,000 miles. It's all factory except for the leveling kit in the front. It's got a 2 1/4 inch leveling kit in the front. Everything's still factory. We're gonna run down this road and maybe document what it's like now, and then document what it's like when we change to the new suspension that will be coming shortly.
Yeah. It's gonna hurt.
Oh, we're not gonna go that fast.
Still, it's been hurting my stomach.
2-wheel drive, 20 psi of air tire pressure. This has built aluminum leveling blocks in the front of it, which people say not to use because you'll bend your struts. I've had them on for probably 50,000 miles and I haven't had too many problems doing stuff like this. Obviously, I'm not going to jump and hit these too hard, but it is pretty rough with those on there.
Yeah. I mean, like, it's not bad, but still, it gives you feels like you're jumping a little bit. You had to do that.
There's some bumps. Sand's pretty hard because it's been raining.
Yeah.
Raining here lately, so.
Yeah, earlier this morning it was just pouring down rain.
Got all the traction control off, obviously, for out here.
Yep.
You awake, Grace? You having fun?
Yeah.
Nice. Max speed's probably about 10 miles an hour, maybe a little bit faster at times.
Not bad. It would have to be 10 miles an hour for how many whoops there is on this thing.
Yeah. Well, that could change with new suspension.
We're not gonna go 30-something miles an hour on whoops, Dad.
Maybe. Maybe not.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not moving, you dummy.
Whoa. Big difference.
Yeah, it's a tight road.
Yeah.
Where are we going? We're not getting out, we're just looking. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Big waves.
I see big waves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Windy, cold.
best thing about the camera is when you can't see out of your mirrors.
Yes. Out of your mirrors.
Oh.
Looks like a couple people. Yeah, so is the stop sign, I think.
Oh, the stop sign's been there for a while.
Oh. Ooh. This. Hey, can I? That's all. This is fun.
This?
No, not this. This is crazy. Makes me so scared.
Why?
I don't know. You're not really going to do it.
No, we're not gonna go. Oh, why not?
No. 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 No, no, no. Too big, too big.
Oops. Oh, it's too bumpy. I can't get the channel. Ready, Grace?
No. Yeah.
Here we go.
And I had to see.
Oh no, there's a steep part. Woo! That wasn't that bad. Your brother's big chicken up here.
No, I'm not.
That was a little tiny hill. My seatbelt's all locked up.